Let's see can Akinator guess all the members of krew. That is funny. Yes. Nope. Nope. Yes. Nope. No. No. Yes. No. Nope. Nope. Yes. Yeah, he got that right. No. Now it's time to learn. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. 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 Yes. Oh. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No, no. Well, they only have one cat. I would say that kind of counts. Yeah. But when you say cats, they have a cat. They only have one cat. They don't have one cat. So I wouldn't say cats. I would say live with a cat. Now it's on the rainbow. Yes. Yes. Yeah. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Grow. You really have to do this to me? Let it happen to the rest of them.
Are you still playing those fake free Robux games?
Cap. This is a cap. This cap. Yeah, you're cap too. I ain't playing this nasty freaking game. What a scam. What? I did funny lunar rainbow. Now it's time to do gold. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. No. No.